Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank L3280. I'm going to show you how to reset this printer to factory default setting, reset all settings. So use right arrow button and go to the settings, select OK, then scroll down to restore default settings, select OK. It will show you network settings. If you want to reset only the network, then you select network settings. Scroll down, it will show you copy settings. If you want to reset the copy settings, then you select OK to proceed. It will show you scan settings. If you want to reset only the scan setting, then you select scan setting, select OK to proceed. It will show you clear all data settings, then you select OK. Restore all settings, including network, to default. Select OK or no. So select OK. Processing, please wait. After all the setting is restored, the printer will no longer be connected to Wi-Fi network. You need to reconnect the printer to a network if you want to use the printer. So it will show you, please wait momentarily. Settings restore, restart the printer to continue. Then you go back to the home page. If you look on the Wi-Fi image, you will see that the Wi-Fi icon is blank. If the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi image will be in blue color. So this is how to reset all settings for this printer. So if you turn the printer off, so this is how to reset the printer to factory default settings. If you switch the printer on, then it will ask you for you to select the language and proceed to set the printer up again. So this is how to reset all settings for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.